a tow truck just pulled in with a white Range Rover that looks like it's been totaled. And I definitely want to show some of y'all this tonight. I mean, you got to see it. I've never seen a Range Rover look this bad before, but this thing looks like it was eaten by somebody on the road. Take a look at this, guys. Wow. Check that out. I mean, that is incredible. Wow. Man. Well, did that get messed up or what? Is that coming to us?
I don't know what the hell that is.
That's a Range Rover HSE. You think the guys bought it?
Why is it here?
I bet they bought it.
Yeah, there's about that shit.
Well, maybe they think they can fix it. That's a beautiful vehicle, but it's gonna need a whole nother front clip, don't it? Yeah, wow. Man, them wheels look pretty good on there, but the car has been literally eaten alive. Whoa. Well, it's definitely a rainy day for sure. Well, it just started raining tonight. Anyways, there's the Audi A6 sitting on the lift. The guys here at our store have been working on it pretty much most of the day. They're doing a motor swap in that car. The engine that we got for the car has around 116,000 miles on it. And that car and the motor that was in the car was well over 200,000 miles. The car I had listed, basically this Audi A6 S-Line with 3.2 Quattro, was listed on Facebook Marketplace for the last week or two for $2,000 cash. And yeah, there's the other engine right there. When we get that motor in, which, God, Ray, does that motor looks tiny when it's sitting outside the vehicle, doesn't it? I mean, just an itty bitty little motor. But once that motor gets put in the car, the price of the car is going back up to $5,500 when it's all said and done. So it's a beautiful vehicle. It's in great shape. I mean, it really is. I don't know if some of y'all watched the Audi A6 review I did of it, but it's a very nice car. Interior's in beautiful condition. So I think still, at the end of the day, $5,500 is a great deal on an Audi A6 with the engine going in it with 116,000 miles. Anyways, the Range Rover, I think the guys that own our store bought that Range Rover. Maybe they're gonna fix it, I really don't know. They absolutely love Range Rovers, and hey, maybe they found that one totaled out like that and got it for an extremely good deal. Who knows what they're gonna do with it, but it is possible to fix, I'm sure. So we'll know more about that as time progresses. So yeah, the Range Rover was definitely not bought by our friends here at Auto Buy Center. A friend of theirs bought that Range Rover and didn't consult with them before doing it, and come to find out it's going to cost over $25,000 just to fix it. What? I said to the guys in there, I said, so once he fixes it, puts $25,000 into fixing it, what's he got? A salvage title Range Rover. Yep. Alright guys, the BMW is definitely looking beautiful. Let me know if y'all want to come see it. Just kind of giving y'all a little tease. Hey, another great thing today, guys. This has just really been kind of more of an auto vlog more than a review on a BMW. But I sold this Dodge Ram truck today for $6,000. Beautiful truck. It's got the Hemi, it's got the big wheels. I mean, it is absolutely gorgeous. But cylinder one has no compression. That's right, cylinder one on that big old V8 has no compression at all. I've been told by our mechanic the motor needs to be removed and put another motor in. But two guys came up here today, really interested in the truck. It was their second time being up here in the last few days looking at the truck. Yesterday he came, he said, Chad, I got $5,500 cash right now. can I buy the truck? I said, sorry man, $6,000 is what we need for this Hemi Laramie Ram. And then today he texts me at like 2 o'clock and says, I got the $6,000. Well, congratulations, bro. He already came. He brought me actually $6,500, taxes, tags, everything. And he's coming back tomorrow with a tow truck to pick that bad boy up. And he says he's gonna get it fixed. So yeah, there you go. So that's a deal that I never expected to get today. What a blessing. And we sold the Ford Mustang stick shift coupe that we had out here. This morning I pulled into the job and a young man was out here waiting on me that actually has been checking out my stuff on Facebook, and he said, I'm here to see Chad. 10 minutes later I come rolling in this morning after doing my live stream, and then he's here with me with his mom buying a Mustang for cash. So 2 deals in one day. What a great day. So thank you to my Ford Mustang customer, and thank you for my Dodge Ram customer. That was awesome. We'll see you soon, guys. Another day in the car business. Rain or shine, we're selling. We'll see you soon.